Welcome. We are really excited to have you here, and we're going to be showing you exactly how you can start making money with crypto truly passive. We're going to be talking about introductions. We're also going to be talking about NFTs. We're going to explain what the payouts are. We're also going to explain the requirements, the ROI and profit splits. So let's go ahead and get started. A little bit about us. My name is Christian Trujillo. I came to the United States when I was 13 years old, and now I'm a full-time entrepreneur. We have our business partner, Steve Riley. He owns about 6 different companies, and he is our business scaling and development member of our business. We also have Jim Sanchez. He's full-time ecom with over 100 million sold on Amazon, but he's transitioning into the crypto world. He's also a system engineer and focuses on implementation and automation of the platform here. And we have Brian Linares, who is basically our blockchain gamer and full-time crypto investor. So that's a little bit about us. We have the 1 hour work week with over 143 employees. We manage multiple e-com stores, and we also have about 13 different investors in the crypto world. NFTs. What are NFTs? I'm not sure how familiar you are with NFTs, but there is a lot of hype going around. There is billboards talking about NFTs. Now there are museums with NFTs. NFTs are basically a non-fungible token, which means you don't really physically own this. It's all virtual. So we use these NFTs to make us money. We have invested over $1.6 million into NFTs, and every single day we're getting a high yield in return. So these are some of the NFTs that we own. We own over 100. We were lucky enough to buy 2 of these legendary Tesla coils. There were only 20 available when we got on, and we bought 2 for about $57,000 each. And now each of them is worth over $500,000. Now, these are some of the payouts. As you can see, not only we own the NFTs, but we also mine. It's going to be all clear now when Brian gets on the call and show you the live example. But we mine the coin Gala. So you can see that we have mined 340 Gala here. We've earned 3.7 Town Coin. And we have also earned 2,652 Town. And now this is daily. So if you look at the current price of Town, which is about 95 cents, you can say that we made about $2,400, and that's in one day. Also, you can see here that we withdrew 4.4 Ethereum to pay ourselves, pay some of our investors, and we have daily earnings on every single side, on the Gala side and the Town side. Now, let's go ahead and get you with Brian. He's going to show you a live example.
All right. I apologize if some of the functions don't work. As you can see, I have level 0 right now. Gala is doing a update, so not everything is functional. Like it won't. There we go. It wasn't showing my balances earlier today. But pretty much this is the platform we use to generate Town Coin. It's called Gala Games. The game we play is called Town Star. So if you go to our inventory, right now we're using Box NFTs and Townstar NFTs to generate income. So let me start up the game real quick. You just click play now. It takes a little bit sometimes. All right, cool. So pretty much we own the NFTs, and we decided to give you guys ownership of the NFTs, and we work them for you. So we place them in the game. Every 24 hours, there's a daily challenge I have to complete. So it doesn't say right now. I still got to wait 2 more hours before I can do the challenge again. But depending on the challenge that's available for today, I set up your NFTs, I complete the challenge, and as you can see, I collect the Town Coin for today. And we do that for you guys daily, and depending on which NFT you guys own, you will get a percentage of the total town we will be collecting for the whole group that we have of investors. And we'll just generate that passive income for you guys. And you guys just sit back and get those earnings on the daily. And let me see, inventory. So right here we have 100 NFTs for Townstar. We have 8 Vox. And depending on how much you guys invest, we'll match the best NFT to the amount you invested. And depending on that, you'll get a certain amount every day. For example, this is the daily town production for these NFTs. If your investment matches up to a Vox number 8707, it'll be making 119 town coin a day. And you'll get your cut of that, and we'll get a cut for doing the work for you. And yeah, I'll bring it over back to you, Christian.
Yeah. All right, that was our live sample. As you can see, it takes some time to get used to the town, to the NFTs and how much they produce you. The best part is that you are not gonna be playing in this. We have over 143 virtual assistants that will take care of the game for you and will take care of collecting for you. Now, I wanna share with you some inspiring words by Warren Buffett. And he said that if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. It's pretty inspiring for me. I live by this quote. I don't want to work my entire life. I love making money while I sleep. As you guys know, we have a ton of e-commerce stores and they make us daily sales. Okay, some of the requirements. So you do need to have a crypto wallet because the transactions are going to be done through cryptocurrency. It does have a minimum investment of $25,000 worth of Ethereum, and it's going to be a 12-month period. Now, the cool part is that some of you probably bought Ethereum when it was like $500, $1,000, and some of you are getting on Ethereum right now. So 25K worth of Ethereum or 6 Ethereum coins. We do have limited spots available. Right now, we have about 13 investors with us, but we are going to cap it at 20. Now, this is how the payouts work. So with your minimum of 25K investment, at the current price of town being 95 cents per town, you will be having a gross earning of $2,900. Again, 70-30 profit split, which means that after we take the 30% to pay the virtual assistants, to pay our operation side, you're gonna be keeping $2,034 a month. Now, if the price of town goes up to $2 or $1.90, you can say that you have made $4,000. So you're looking at about a 6 to 9 month investment. I'm sorry, you're looking at about a 6 to 9 month period to make your investment back. Okay, we have investors that have put in up to $75,000. So we give them priority. And once you become an investor, you're gonna get access to a private group chat with us where we give you updates on a daily basis. We give you news, we give you support, and we're also gonna give you a daily report that looks something like this. So this is an example of one of our members. We have assigned 2 different NFTs. This NFT produces 102 town a day, and this one produces 100 town a day. Now, the cool part is that with this report, you are able to see how much you're collecting on a daily basis. So again, you don't have to play. We will have our virtual assistants play for you. Once they have collected, they will click on this check mark, which shows here that we have completed the day. And then if you go to investor report tab, you see that we have collected for the month of December 709 town coins net for you. If you want to see it on a daily, all you have to do is click on the date. Today is the 7th. And you see that we have collected 202 town coins and you're keeping 141 town coins. If you want to look at the week, you will select the Saturday at the end of the week. So you will select this Saturday right here, and you can see that we have collected 602 town coins, 608 town coins. Now, if you want to look at the full month report, you can select the last day of the month, and that shows you that we have collected over 1,000 town coins, and 30% went to the company to pay employees, and also 70% went to you. Now, if you like numbers and spreadsheets, we also give you a report on the daily basis. We give you the report on weekly and monthly. Now, the best part here is that you own the NFTs. The NFTs appreciate in value. For example, personally, I bought this lumberjack 20 days ago. You can see the report here. This was bought 20 days ago for 2 Ethereum. Now, if I want to sell it, I can sell it for 3.1 Ethereum, which means that this NFT appreciated over $4,000 in the past 20 days. It's great because not only I'm making money with the production of the NFT, but also with the appreciation of NFTs. Now on December 11 and 12, there's going to be a big conference in Vegas with Gala Games, and all the tickets are sold out. Some of the tickets sold for 1,000, 5,000, 10,000, and there were some executive tickets going for $50,000 that are completely sold out. So we expect the price of Gala, the price of the NFTs, and the price of town to go even higher. Okay, now the payouts will be done monthly on Ethereum to the crypto wallet or a stable coin. As you guys know, there are some fees associated with each transfer called gas fees. So those fees will be taken care of on our side with Ethereum or stable coin. And if you want to get started, make sure that you reach out to me directly or to any of our business partners on Instagram, or you can also send a support ticket to support@onehourworkweek.com, and we will be able to provide you instructions on how to move forward. We will get you the wallet ID number, and we want to do a test on the funds before we send over the full amount. So again, thank you for taking the time and going over this video. Hopefully you can make a smart decision with your investment. And again, the 1 Hour Work Week has been making people money for over a year now with over 143 employees and counting. And we're excited that you're taking part of our crypto automation program.